What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys live with another video. And in this video, guys, I'm talking about how I'm quitting life, how you're quitting, how you're giving up, how what it is that you're doing on a daily basis is not exactly what you need to be doing on a daily basis. Majority of us, majority of you, majority of me, and a lot of me, and I'm not talking to you guys because I think this is what you guys are doing. I'm talking to you guys about this specific situation that Austin Lewis used to do. But what I have gotten over the last couple of weeks is, Austin, what separated you from everybody else? How are you able to live this lifestyle like everybody else? And the answer is separation. The answer has been separation. It is the month of December, ladies and gentlemen. It is the month of December. Okay, we just got through Thanksgiving. You know what everybody did on Thanksgiving is, it was on Thursday, they took off Friday, they took off Saturday, they took off Sunday, they even extended their Monday. Majority of people have not been ever introduced to what I call separation. Guys, it has what distinguished my success and catapulted me every single year on the year, every single year, because of this word separation. Now, what I mean by separation is the fact that most people give up, most people quit, most people have already said they're going to start their new year. They already have their goals for their new year, which is good, which is great. I already got my goals for my new year, but I'm telling you right now, you having your goals for your new year does not set you up for separation jumping into 2020. Okay, I've already done the groundwork. This December is the month that I push harder. This is when I grow my team a little bit more. This is when I invest in myself a little bit more. This is when I get a little bit more fit. This is when I focus on my fitness a little bit more. This is when I eat a little bit more right, okay? This is when I focus on, this is when I make that extra call. This is when I do that extra grit work. This is when I say, hey, I don't listen to distractions. I dive into my business just a little bit more. Why? Because that is separation, ladies and gentlemen. Is what distinguishes you from an actual success to somebody that's just been average. Because I'm telling you guys right now, for over the last couple of years of me being an entrepreneur, I never actually separated myself until 3 years ago. I never actually did the groundwork because guess what? I took the month of December off. I said, man, I don't need December. It don't matter to me. I already know what's going on in the next year. I already have my New Year's resolution. I already have my New Year's goals. I already know what's going on there. I was more prepared for the next year, and I was not currently prepared for what was currently happening. What's distinguished my success over the last couple of years has been separation. And the separation is everybody else is going to eat a little bit more dirty. Everybody else is going to skip the gym. Everybody else is going to make less calls. Everybody else is going to go to the gym a little bit less. Everybody else is going to give themselves a lot of excuses. Everybody else is going to watch Christmas movies now because 25 days of Christmas. Why the wouldn't you watch more Christmas movies? Everybody else is going to cuddle a little bit more. Everybody's going to take a little bit more time off work. Everybody's going to, they're going to work a little bit less hours. And I'm telling you guys right now, that's not what distinguished my success. My biggest successes have been in the month of December that I have pushed, my team has pushed, we've all pushed each other, because what happens in December is what happens in April and May, June, July. A lot of you guys missed that. What happens this month? What happens in the month of December? I'm screaming at you guys, I know. What happens in the month of December is what ultimately happens in June, July, and August. May, June, July, and August. So when people, guys, when they come to you and say, hey, what the heck went on? What is going on? You guys are absolutely murdering it in May, June, and July, and August. How did you guys do this? And guess what? Every single time, every single answer is December. When they were eating more chocolate chip cookies and when they were eating more candy cane cookies, I was working. I was grinding. I was putting in the time. I was putting in the resilience. I was going all out because most people in today's world, they have never actually gone all out. Most people have never done what it is that they could do. Nobody has ever reached that limit to themselves, and I'm telling you right now, you do not know what you don't know, and that is a freaking fact. The most expensive real estate in the world today is a 6-inch between your ears. So how you think your mindset going into December, going into the 2020, going into the new year, what you do in December is what gives you that separation for that month of May, June, July, and August, because those months right there, it's always going to be 90 days, it's always going to be 120 days, because the work you put in now, you might not see right now, but the work you put in now, you're gonna see in a couple of months. And I'm telling you guys right now, that is what dictated a lot of my success. That is what set me up, is the month of December when everybody else slows down, I speed up. A lot of you guys have already given up on your goals and dreams. A lot of you guys have already said you are not good enough. A lot of you guys have already put it into the fact that maybe you can't do it. Maybe going into 2020 is not gonna be your year. Or maybe you have the mindset of, man, my 2019 did not exactly work out the way that my 2019 wanted. And I'm telling you guys right now that you you are worth it, that you can actually go out and make happen. You can do what it is that your friends are telling you that you can't do. You can do what it is that your mom and dad are telling you that you can't do. I'm not telling you to have any limiting beliefs, because I'm telling you right now, the only limiting beliefs that you have are going to be right here. It's going to be in your mindset. It's going to be how you think, what you think, and when you think it. Okay? But I'm telling you right now, going into 2020, if it is to get that new car, if it is to retire that spouse, if it is to start that business, if it is to lose 20 pounds, if it is to get a six-pack, if it is to get that girlfriend, if it is to get that house, whatever goal it is that you might have, I'm telling you right now that I truly do believe that you guys actually can absolutely make it happen. I'm spitting all over Bryson, but I'm getting fired up. He's getting fired up. God, he's gotta love his job, huh? Woo! I love this, man. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go freaking smash that like button and go subscribe really quick, and then go follow the guy behind the camera, Mr. Bryson. That'll be a good one for you, bro. But I'm telling you guys right now that, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your goals. I'm telling you what the hardships that you went through in 2019 have just prepared you for 2020. Do you guys get that? The hard shit that you went through in 2019, the hard stuff that you went through in 2019 just set you up for what's going to happen for you in 2020. I truly believe, do not give up. Do not give up. Keep going. Go all in. Use the month of December to separate yourself from other people, because I guarantee you that 99.9% of people, they're not going to do that. They're not going to separate themselves. They're going to do what every other people do. They're going to drive down the same road going to work. They're going to do the same thing at their job. They're not going to work any more hours. They're not going to go to the gym any longer than what they have already been going, if they've been going at all. If anything, they're going to skip a couple of gym sessions. I'm telling you right now, guys, that this is the month of separation, and this is what dictates your guys' success. I have done it for the last 3 years. Every year in December, and December's always been one of my biggest financial months in my entire life. 1 and 2. It's always set me up for the months. It's always giving me separation from other people. Bryce's hand's getting tired, so I'm telling you guys right now, go get your dreams, go get your goals, go chase after it, go make what it is that you truly do deserve yours. Because I'm telling you guys right now that you can make it happen in 2020. Hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you guys later.